Library.
My favorite place.
Di pa kaya kung lalagay sila books.
This is my happy place. Well, I'm always like you. Nothing else to do. Me and me. You. Books are the treasured wealth of the world.
Books are the treasured wealth of the world. And what's that? Bit of inheritance of generation and nation. Kana kay police station nila. Kana kay mga condo apartment. Entrance sa ilang library. We're going to the library. Init kay sa amo. Magpabugnaw. Okay, this is a Foster Library.
Foster City.
Foster City Library.
See ya.
Mag-try me sa 3D printing.
I'm really just want to have it over my camera.
3D printing machine sa ilahang library. Very cool. Librero ni siya.
Librero good.
Librero kasi library, librero.
Yeah, ganiha kay while waiting for the kanang front desk na nag-una na ako niya nag-open of library card. Yeah, ganyan siya nga there's no limit. You can borrow as much as you can. You can return it anywhere, any other San Mateo library. Di ingon na yagi ka Foster City, then you borrowed a book here, you have to return it here. No, you can return it to any library na member sa San Mateo County. Dako din San Mateo.
Yeah.
Sa duol na to na ni upat.
Mo.
Upat ka library.
So salamat sa babae nga ni assist na mo. Bata pa siya mga
Patient ka.
kanang pasensyoso kaya siya. Niya matinabangon kaya.
Volunteer.
Volunteer lang siya.
Yan.
Finished product. Finish. It's done. Muna ilang self check out. Mag-borrow kag box, pwede rin ikaw mag-check out. Napod rin ang kuwan. Kanang i-drop lang ni mo ang book. I-drop lang ni mo din. Checking out books from the library. Self-checkout. Place your books. Another books. Receipt. Print.
Asa?
Yeah, bottom.
ご覧いただきありがとうございます。
Finish. Self-checkout.